Day 73's tag, a celebration of your birthday tag. That's what it is, a birthday celebration tag. And I created it as a construction so that you could open and close like a card. And I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a minute. This tag is a part of the 100 Days of Junk Journal Tags. This booklet is available on my Ko-Fi site. You can go and visit Bexx at Black Whisper Crafts, who is co-hosting this 100 days with me, and to be on day 73 already. Wow. So stay tuned and we'll make this tag together. Okay, on day 73, we're at Happy Birthday, a birthday celebration tag. And of course, you can use whatever you like, colors, festive pattern, and, you know, stamp, happy birthday, whatever you would like to do, making your tag what you would like it to be. And so I'm going to give you a little bit of construction, and I'm going to put this up on the screen. These are my measurements that I'm using. And that way you have exactly what I'm making. But what I have is I have a base at 4 and 6.5 inches, and then I have a mat and layer of 2 different card stocks that we're going to make like a little birthday card tag is what we're going to make. So my mat and layer for the green, for the back for the base is 3 3/4 by 6 1/4, and then for the top mat with the sprinkles is 3 1/2 by 6. And then I have a white space for a little note and greeting on the inside, which is 3 inches by 5 inches. So that's the base of my tag. Then for my card, which my card is going to be hinged onto the tag so it opens like a card. And so this measures 4 1/2 by 5, and I scored at 1/2 inch. All right, and I have my card opening to the left. You could open it however you want. And then I'm going to mat and layer the card part the same. So it's going to be the green at 3 3/4 by 4 3/4, and the sprinkles at 3 1/2 by 4 1/2. So we're going to have a similar look. And then on the front, I have a little doily that I'm going to mat on top of this little green piece to match here, and we're going to stamp onto that. So it's really a very much like a card. So I'm giving you some construction here, not just embellishment. I'm also going to use this stamp set that I have in my stash for the inside. It has a little cake and a candle. I haven't decided yet, but I may just put like "Hope your birthday's wonderful" on the inside. And then on the outside, I'm going to just select like "birthday" or "hooray" or something to go in my little doily that I showed you a moment ago. All right, so first, let's just go ahead and mat and layer the base. And then we're going to put on the card. I'm just going to do the stamping prior to gluing it onto my tag and my card, just to make sure I get it correct. So this is my mat and layer here. We're going to do that portion right now. And we're going to do that here as well. So this is another way to provide depth for your cards, your tags, your pockets, whatever you'd like to do. Now this is going to glue onto here like this, and it's going to open up. Isn't that cool? All right, so let's do the stamping now. I'm going to just pick a sentiment off of here and stamp it onto the white cardstock. All right, I have everything stamped. So I stamped happy birthday, which will go on the outside and the card, and then Make a Wish, which will go on the inside. And I have a alpine green marker. I just want to add a little color to this. So since we're kind of going green, I'm just going to outline some of the white parts of the cake and then around the edges, just to give an idea that we have some color here. And then I'm not going to worry about the rest of it, but I just wanted to do a little bit. All right, this is going to go on the inside of our tag, and I'm going to bring it down towards the bottom so there's plenty of room for me to punch the hole without any problems. Over here doing my thing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this onto the green, and yes, it did have some embellishment on the back, but I didn't want it for that, so that's going to look real pretty on there. Right, so that's the front of our card tag slash card tag. Happy birthday. All right, so we're gonna just put that in the middle here. And I have some little butterfly stickers from Dollar Tree. I did find them, so I think that's pretty cool that I did find some. And I thought, well, we could use some of these for this, and that would be fun. So we've got some green and pink. We'll put one there. And then, I don't know if I want to put the blue. I might put the yellow. So we'll just do a couple of butterflies like that. We can put one on the inside. And let's do green like that. So we'll just put a little bit of lace on this side. Now we're going to glue this behind the tag, so the hinge is going to be behind the tag base, and we're going to line it up with the bottom. So we're just putting it like that. And I'm going to flip it over, and we're going to make sure that that adheres. And here is the birthday card slash tag celebrating birthday. And you just open it up, and there you go. And you could write a little message on this side if you wanted to, or write, you know, love whoever. And so it's just an idea to take your tag another level, a little more construction, and I hope you enjoyed it. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you visit Bexx at Black Whisper Crafts and see her birthday celebration tag. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.